Welcome back to teaching videos, guys, where I bring you useful videos every week. So guys, in this video I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Twitter account. So first of all, what you need to do is just open up your Twitter account. That's quite obvious, and then you need to tap on your profile picture right here. And after that, what you need to do is just hit settings and privacy option right here, and then you need to go into your account option, and then you will be seeing this option to deactivate your account right here. So right now you will be seeing that there is few things mentioned right here. So what you need to remember is that in order to get your account permanently deleted, first you have to deactivate your Twitter account by hitting the deactivate option right here, and then you need to enter your password right here and confirm the deactivation. And after 30 days your account will be permanently deleted if you do not reactivate your Twitter account. So this is the way, guys, how you will be able to delete your account permanently. So I hope you really enjoyed this quick video, and if you did, give this video a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for a lot more videos like this. I will be catching you in the very next one, guys. Till then, take care.